Hey, hope you're having a great week so far. Are you enjoying fall? Have you noticed the temperatures have dipped just to the point where we can knock out all the summer stuff from our closet, start bringing in the fall and winter clothing, and that means a lot of layers and a lot of styling ideas, and it's something to get excited about. I personally love fall clothing and styling for that reason. I think it just sparks the creativity to think, what could I pair with that dress? What kind of a jacket can I lay over? Or boots, or maybe throw in a hat or a scarf. And it's so amazing. It's like painting a painting, and sometimes the more layers you get in there, the more fascinating and creative it looks. So I wanted to make sure that the clothing that I focused on for you this fall sort of runs the gamut between really, really casual, kind of kicking around town, up to a little bit more dressy for maybe nighttime, something that would be appropriate for work. So we're really going to cover it all. But I want you to get excited about getting yourself together, putting on your makeup, doing your hair, and really enjoying the process of putting together some fun fall outfits. So here we go. I've got 5 different style ideas, I guess, plus this. I'll throw in a little photo at the end so you can see what this looks like, but it's a dress. So I want to start with a dress, and I love this because you'll notice I'm from Houston. And I'm going to throw in a little Texas-inspired accessorizing and motif to some of the things that are going on here, because I think that it just, I don't know, it's got cool. It's got cool to it. So the first outfit's a little bit boho chic, but you'll see the Texas styling in here. This is a flowy and whimsical black floral Veronica Beard sheer maxi dress, and it has a built-in black little shell inside. So it's sheer to a point, but then it covers. The ruffle detail on the sleeve and the hem here add movement to this neat pattern dress. The little bit of Texas that I'm adding to it, I cinched the waist with a Western style belt by Tequila. I added faux suede cowboy boots from Vici collection, and my favorite accessory in all of this is the brown felt hat by Bailey of Hollywood. It really ties it all together. I wore this outfit to a baptism not that long ago, and you guys really commented on just the accessorizing, and so I wanted to show you how I styled it. I'm carrying with me a camel brown colored faux leather jacket by Massimo Dutti. When the evening gets cool, there's something to throw over the shoulder, and the color really ties into the accessories that I have going on. Let me state right now, because those of you who have followed me for a long time, you know this. I enjoy high-end items. I do not enjoy paying high-end prices. So anything that has a pricier price tag, shall we say, came from online resale, local resale. I am a bargain hunter. I will spend hours in the hunt finding a really great deal. So I just want you to know that with higher end pieces, especially accessories, purses and whatnot, boy, you can go online. There's so many different outlets and avenues for you. I'll list them in the description portion along with everything that I'm wearing too. But don't spend a lot of money to look like you spent a lot of money. Moral of the story. Okay, so that's our boho chic outfit. We're moving on now to Snow Beast. You know what? There is something about winter white that is so appealing to me. So I'm wearing faded and torn ankle crop high-waisted skinny jeans with an off-white button-down kind of a cool knit top. We're going into fall, so let's talk about the layers here. I love this black, white, and brown really thick knit scarf for cool nights. You can just wrap it around and twist it. This coat is the bomb. It's so soft. It's a teddy coat in oatmeal. This entire outfit, by the way, came from Vici collection. The hat I got by Janessa Leone, and the beige suede booties are by Karl Lagerfeld. But again, this is sort of an all white, almost whitish look. It's really popular for the fall. A lot of white booties are out there. They're very trendy, so if you have them, you could wear white booties with this. I just love a really neutral, sort of a suede oat color boot because it goes with everything. You can wear it with black tops. You can wear it it with brown, white, anything goes. So to me, just having a neutral shade bootie is sort of a closet staple, I think, for this fall. A lot of them come in faux suede, a lot of them with platform heels, so you can make it super comfortable and be able to wear and pair it with a lot of things. So go for it, be a little snow beast and look cute while you're at it. Number 3 is combat. Yes, you're gonna get her done and you're gonna do it in style. This is awesome. These pants are by Spanx. They are pull-on jeans, okay? So they're comfortable, they stretch, and they suck you in where you want to be sucked in. I've got a white tank top with a black graphic. This is by Sand. The focal point of this outfit is this really cool army jacket with all the patches and the design. It's by Spell and the Gypsy. You can button it, you can unbutton it, and just throw it over. The belt is kind of a husky belt by Lucky brand. I'm doing black combat boots. Combat boots have been in for quite a few seasons now. I love them in black because they can go with so much. These are by Mark Fisher. And then this really cool canvas bag by Lauren Moshi with the American Eagle on the outside. I think it just kind of ties in this look. It's edgy, it's comfortable, and it's great for sort of bumming around town, but it's getting you out of your sweats and getting you in your closet and pairing things together that I think are a little bit more interesting. So accessorizing is big. Think about really cool purses that you can wear with things, or hats, or jewelry, or layers. So think about what you can put on top of what as you're starting to dress yourself this fall. All right, let's move on to number 4, and that is ladies' night, or date night, whichever you prefer. This is great too. Again, all of these are so comfortable, which is the important part in all of this. Who doesn't like a nice pair of leggings? Again, by Spanx. They're faux leather leggings. They're stretchy and they feel great. You could eat a spaghetti dinner and not know the difference. I love this jacket. It's a big, boxy, almost a man's type jacket. It's by Zara. As I've mentioned in previous videos, you don't want things too boxy on you, so you take a belt. And it's belted by a large Gucci belt. Add some style points to it, but it cinches you in the waist. And I like mixed media. So with the shine of the leggings, I like the contrast of a nice suede boot. And so these are almost knee-high boots by Vero Cuccio, and I'm adding this shiny sort of leather hand clasp purse by Perrin. So it's nice, a little bit of a matte black, a little bit of a shiny black, and then you notice the gold in the belt, so you can use that as an opportunity to dress it up with some nice gold jewelry. You can layer necklaces because you've got a nice V-neck here, or do a long earring, but your accessorizing can happen with the gold jewelry. But it's kind of a masculine and feminine look, all pulled into one. And again, comfort is key. I can tell you with everything that I'm wearing here today, all of my denim has stretch, the Spanx clearly has stretch. Everything is very loose and comfortable. And that's what I want you to be this fall. Cool and comfortable. Okay, last but not least, I'm calling this outfit Timeless Classic. You'll see why. This is so Ralph Lauren almost from head to toe. It'll take you from work to dining out. The elegance and the simplicity of these wardrobe staples will carry you through year after year. I have had these items in my closet for a while. So I'm starting with a brown knit sweater dress by Ralph Lauren. I've got a rust-colored scarf, also Ralph Lauren. I'm having my boots match the scarf. These are by Sergio Rossi. They're kind of a camel boot. They've got a little bit of suede, a little bit of leather, and then this classic camel coat, wool coat by Burberry. Again, these are timeless pieces. They can be mixed and matched with so many things, but they will never leave your closet. They will make you feel elegantly pulled together when you step out. And a nice special touch to this outfit is this rust-colored purse. This was from my late grandmother from Hamburg. It's probably from the early to the mid 1900s. Her name was Alice, and I never met her, but it's really nice to have this special memento and something that she carried and treasured. And I've seen images of her, and I can imagine her carrying that purse walking through the streets of Hamburg. So it's really nice if you have those kinds of pieces from family, parents, grandparents, heirlooms. To me, those are just really magical, special touches, things that you can't buy. They are priceless. So there are my 5 fall cool, comfortable, layered, styled outfits. You got hats, you got scarves, you got boots, you got bags, you got a little bit of everything in there. This dress, by the way, is a really cool, flowy mini dress. Again, I found this at Vici collection, and I'm wearing it with a pair of boots. And if you go shorter with a dress, then you go higher with the boot. So I guess that's outfit number 6, and this will be in the description too. Please subscribe to this channel, share me with your friends and your family, grow the community, follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram a lot, Facebook. I enjoy putting out some content there in between these Thursday 1 p.m. videos here on YouTube. So have fun in your closet, enjoy the brisk air, enjoy the feeling that fall brings. Take an inhale and a deep exhale, and I will see you next Thursday at 1 o'clock. Bye, beautiful.